In this Desire to Learn demonstration, or you may want to call it Brightspace, or here at UCN we call it UCN Learn, we're going to show how to use the Dropbox to submit assignments. So we go up to the main menu, click on Assessments, and then choose the Dropbox. Then we see all the Dropboxes available to us. You can see I've already been to this Dropbox and submitted some files. Well, I'm going to submit some more files there. Okay, so we just click on Add File. I'm going to pull those files off my computer, hit Upload. I'm just going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to grab a file. Alright, I'm going to grab this Word document. Click OK or Open, and hit Add. It now adds that file here. If I want to put in another one, go back to my computer. Alright, stay with the desktop, and I'll pick this PNG file and hit Open, and hit Add again. Now down here in comments, if I want, I could say disregard previous submissions, and mark this one, please, and just hit Submit. And it tells me that it's been successfully submitted. I'll click Done, and you can see now I have 3 submissions and 5 files. Again, this includes the 2 I just submitted as well as 3 that I previously submitted. If I click on this, it takes me to those submissions where I can see all the files. I can choose to open these if I wanted. We'll just go back to the Dropbox, and that's basically all there is to this.